Welcome to another Gemini Dent Repair. Today we have a dent in a rear gate on a Chevrolet Equinox, and we're going to be taking you through the steps on how we fix this using the glue repair method, and also going to be using some PDR rods and bars. Here are the tools we're going to be using for the glue repair: glue guns, torch, polish pad, tabs of assorted sizes. First, start off by polishing with a clean polish pad and 99% isopropyl. Now we're heating the dented area up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, which is recommended by the collision glue manufacturer, which is Collision Glue Systems. Now that we've done our prep work, it is time to put some tabs on. See, I'm pushing hard on the tabs there. It squeezes out your air bubbles, and it's going to get you the best bond. Just a little tech tip here. Best on these kind of big tabs I like to have two glue guns on the go. That way when the glue runs out in one, you can grab the other, or sometimes just squeeze out enough glue, it'll start to go a little slower through the gun, so you can just pick up another one. So you're just kind of alternating between the two glue guns. It's a little more efficient. Now we're just touching up the edges. What that does is creates a uniform bond line, which is going to give you the best and strongest pulls. Now I'm spraying the tabs down with water to cool them down and to cure the collision glue. Checking the temperature of the tabs and the glue. What we're looking for is one uniform temperature. That means it's ready to go. Take a look here after our first round of pulls. You can see most of that damage has been popped out. A few little more dents to be taken care of. The gap is nice to the taillight. And for the rest of the repair, we're going to be switching to some PDR rods and pushing out the metal from the backside. We'll be doing that for the next few minutes. Here we have the panel after we're done with our PDR rods and pushing, and it's ready for a scuff and a skim coat of putty, and it's ready for the paint shop. As always, I'm using linear blocking tools to get a perfectly flat finish. Here we have the restored panel ready for the customer.